Thank you for joining Storybook Reading Drama Ayan. Today I'm going to read the book 1, 2, 3 by Sandra Boynton. 1, 2, 3. 1 is good for a quiet walk. 2 is right for a quiet talk. 3 is nice for having tea or for counting 1, 2, 3. And when you want to go explore, the number you should have is 4. 5 works well for a ride in the car, as long as the car ride isn't too far. 6 is fun for a running race, except for the one who gets 6th place. 7 is perfect for a play. It makes a very fine class in ballet. You need 9 players strong and quick to fill a team for Piggly Stick. 10 makes a celebration loud, loud, loud. And 1 is wonderful after a crowd. The end. Thank you for reading with me. Next time we will read more interesting books with you. Have a nice day.